Good morning, all of you. Good morning, everybody. Hi. So many are here today. Oh, wow. So, Ishan, who is there? Shanchayan, Shubham, Nivedita, Navya, Brintika, Bithika. Oh, so many are here. Abradeep also there. Wow. So, Shanchayan is also there. Wow. Sutanvi there. Shubham is also there. Okay. So, hello everybody. Good morning. So, how are you? All of you are fine, no? Okay. Everybody, you will keep your smiling always at your face. Okay, now have the book with you. This book. Everybody keep the book with you. With a pencil. We'll do one book work today. We'll do one book work today. So, at first, I'll start here. Which chapter is going on that time? Which lesson? Plant around us. So, plant around us and page number 17. Page number 17. 16, there is also a part, but paste the pictures as asked in the boxes given below. That means here you will paste some pictures, then 2 pictures of big leaves, 2 pictures of small leaves and 2 pictures of water plant. Okay, 2 small plant and big plant and water plant. You will paste 2 pictures here. Okay, so it is your part, that page number 16. So I will not do it here because picture. You will paste 2 pictures, 2 big plant, 2 small plant and 2 water plants picture. At least water plant you will paste 1 picture. Okay, so page number 17. So today it is plants. The lesson is plants. Okay, so plants, page number 17. I'll do here one work. You will do the work also with me because it is already picture based. I'll write down the spellings here because I can't draw the picture now here. So, B. This is B. Write B for big plant, S for small plant and W for water plant. So, B for big, S for small and W for water. Okay, so big, small and water. S, B and W. We'll do 3 parts here. Okay, big, small and water here. So I'll just write down the name. You have the book with you. You will do with pictures. Those who not got the book till now, you will write down the name of the pictures and then you will do beside B or S. So, at first there is left side. There at first the picture of tomato. I will write down the name here. Tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. In the box, you will tell me what will be the answer. B, S or W. What will be the answer? Tomato. S. Very good. B, S. Okay. Small plant. Okay. Asma. Okay. Okay. Shubham is also writing S. Okay. Debargo also. Okay. Shanchayan. S. Okay. Ishan is also S. So, Mriganko also, wow, Mriganko is small, okay, very good. And Navya also S, okay. Brintika also write down S. Sutanbi also write down, Ishan is also write down, Shanchayan is also write down, very good. Everybody are writing here, okay. So, now I will beside tomato, I will write down here Okay. So Abrodeep is also typing. Okay, very good. Okay. Yes, Abrodeep also yes. Bithika, you will also write down beta. You can also do S or B or W. Left side tomato, it is B or S or W. Okay. So next, beside this tomato picture, thereafter it is mango. I will just write down here mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. You will write down beside the box B, S or W. B, S or W. B, S, okay. Okay, Brintika, okay. B, very good. Asma, Abrodeep, Debargho, Sanchayan, Shubham, Nivedita, Debargho, Arif, okay. Mriganko, Sutanvi, okay. Navya, very good. So, everybody are writing here B. So, Mriganko, okay. Now, I will also write down here B. Just for big plant, B for big, okay. So, now thereafter what is this? This is also tree, it is coconut tree. I will just write down here coconut, C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Now you will tell me B, S or W, what will be the answer? B, S, W, okay. Mintika, Ishan, Asma, Abrodeep, okay. Debargho, Asma, Ishan, Abrodeep, Saha, Mriganko, Mintika, okay. Debargho, okay. Asma, B. Shanchan also B. Okay, very good. Now, Nivedita also B. Asma, they are typing so many trees for me. Coconut tree, okay. I'll take coconut from here. So, I'll now just do, I'll write down here also B. Okay. Now, Sutanbi also typing. Okay, very good. Now, Sutanbi coconut. Yes, I know that coconut. It is big or small, you have to write down. Okay. Then, thereafter next line. There is already I am given here. It is picture is given here. It is a rose plant. Rose plant. I will just write down the spellings here. R-O-S-E, rose. The spelling is here. So, you will tell me this is big or small or what? W, S or B. Okay. So, Shubham, Mriganko, Debargho, Ishan, Sanchayan, Abrodeep, Nivedita. Nivedita, you can't see me. Why, beta? Deepanita, now you can see me. Okay. Asma. Okay. Sutanvi. Small Sutanvi spelling, you will do it. S-M-A-double-L, beta. Not only one L. Double L is there. Okay. So, Nivedita. Okay. So, I will write down here S. S for small. Okay. Then, there is a lotus. Middle picture is here. That is lotus. I will write down the spelling lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Now you will tell me B, W or S. What will be? Yes. Yes, Brintika. Yes. Asma. Okay. Ishan. Debargho. Abrodeep. Okay. Sanchayan. Okay. Nivedita. Okay. Shubham. Okay. Okay. Sutanbi. Okay. Okay. All of you will complete the work. Okay. Now I will put it here. Okay. Sutanbi. Okay. Mriganko also. Okay. And now it will be W. W for water plant. Okay. Now thereafter last one is here. Now you will also say this is brinjal. Brinjal, it is BRINJAL. Brinjal is small, big or water. Is W or B? Okay. Okay, Brintika, okay, S. Asma, so many brinjals for me. Pradeep, Ishan, I'll take it for fry. Ishan, Shubham, Mriganko, Nivedita, okay, Brintika, Devargo, okay, Shanchayan, okay. Okay. Now I'll write down here. S. Now in your book, what is the work given? That already we have completed here. Now I will do the extra work. Now we will do some extra work now. So it is in your book, page number 17. And help the bee in the reaching the flower. You will do this one by yourself. This will be proof. Okay. Now you will do with your intelligence. Okay. Now I will here do another more work with B, W or S. So it is given here some of the plants. We will again do more plants with this. So at first here it is given neem, N-E-E-M. Now you will tell me it is B, W or S. B, W or S. Okay, write down. Yes. Very good. Yes. Shubham, Brintika, yes. B or S. Yes. Neem is big or small. B, W or S. Okay, Nivedita, Asma, Brintika, all of you write down. Also Shubham is there. Shancharan is also there. Debargo, okay. Shutanbi, okay. Shugandhi, what is this Shutanbi? But? Why beta? But? Mriganko, big. Ishan, B. Okay, you will write down B or S or W. Only first letter you can write down. Okay? No need to write down the total spelling. If you can do this. Okay, Ishan is also now typing here. Now I will put him here. Neem, it is extra work. Okay. Ishan, where is Navya? You will also complete the work. So I am put here big. Now grass, G-R-A-S-S, grass. You will tell me it is B, W or S. Grass, B, W or S. Devans is also there. Okay, very good. Okay. Asma, Sutanvi Datto, Meganko, okay, sure. Shanchayan, Ishan, Shubham, Abrodi, Brintika, Nivedita, Sutanvi, grass. Sutanvi, grass is small or big? Small or big? S or B? You will just write down S or B. Grass, it is S or B, that means small or big. Okay. So grass is small, S for small. Now we will do another work, that is here banyan, B-A-N-Y-A-N. Now you will tell me it is big or small or water. Okay. Sutanvi, now it is okay. Very good. Now Asma, it is big. Wow, very good. Now Nivedita also. Yes, okay. Nivedita. Yes. Banyan tree is our national tree. It is so big. Shanchayan big, Devans big, Ishan big, Avrudeep big, yes, Brintika also big, Sutanbi big, okay, Shubham big, Pavitra, very good. Pavitra, big. Debargo, big. Navya, B. Nivedita, yes, you will type here, okay. Nivedita, BB, okay. Big, big. Very good. So now I'll put here B. Now I'll draw something here. So what will be the answer? You will tell me. Okay. So I'll write down here TULSI. It is extra. Now you will tell me it is BW or S. BW or S. Tulsi. Tulsi is BW or S. Okay, Ashma, yes, S. Nivedita, S. Debargo is S. Okay. Mriganko, S. Abrodeep, S. Shubham, S. Nishan, S. Nivedita, what are you doing? Sanjayan, S. Okay, Navya, S. Very good. Ishan also write down S. Okay. Now I'll just put it here because Bintika also is. Tulsi is small plant. Yes. So already I am doing here. Now you will tell me marigold. MARIGOLD. It is big or small or water? Big, small or water? B, S or W? Okay, Debargo, okay. Small, okay. Asma is small. Abrodeep small. Pavitra, write down beta. Abrodeep small, okay. Shanchayan small. Nivedita, okay, small. Shubham, yes, okay. Shutanbi Datta, okay. Small, okay. Navya is, okay. Pavitra, okay, small, okay. Now Debargo, he is also typing, okay. Now Devansh, where are you? You will also write down beta. So I'll marigold, I'll write down S for small. Thereafter I'll just draw one more. Tulip. TULIP. So it is small or big? Can you tell me? S for small or B for big or W for what? Abrodeep S, okay. Devargo also S, okay. Ishan also okay. Shubham also S, okay. Sutanvi Datta. Tulip. Tulip is small or big? You will write down Sutanvi. Sanchayan S, okay. Nivedita also S, okay. Pavitra also S, okay. Very good. Now, okay. So, wow, Sutanvi, tulip. Oh, so for me, thank you. You can't hear me, Asma. Now you can hear me. Mriganko, small, okay. Very good. Now I'll write down here S, okay. So I'll erase this portion. Now again we will start another fill in the blanks. Today we will do fill in the blanks, okay. So we will start here, fill in the blanks, okay, fill in the blanks. It is, we will do with, you will do the work with the help of your parents, because I will do this one with sentence, adding the sentence here, okay. So I'll start here. Number 1 at first. The national tree of India is, now you will write down the answer or in the chat box. The national tree of India is, yes, Devargo, banyan tree. Okay, Asma, banyan tree. Okay, Abhradeep also banyan tree. Shubham also okay. Mriganko okay. Pavitra okay. Ishan okay. Navya okay. Okay. Shanchayan okay. Now, okay. Okay, Shutanvi also okay. Very good. Now, I'll also write down here B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan, okay? Number 2. A water plant is, a water plant is dash. A water plant is dash. A water plant is, a water plant is, Abhradeep okay, lotus, Mriganko lotus, Brintika lotus, Pavitra also lotus, yes. Asma, yes, very good. Okay, Shuvanchan lotus, Nivedita lotus, Shubham lotus, Devargo also lotus, Ishan lotus, Navya also lotus, Sutanvi lotus. All of you are correct here. Yes, is lotus, L-O-T-U-S. Lotus, it is also correct. Water lily, it is also correct. Water lily, it is also correct. Both are correct. Okay. So, the national tree of India is banyan, and water plant is lotus. Okay. Now, I will do another fill in the blanks for today. Another one just for today. So, mango is dash plant. Big or small? Mango is dash plant. Big or small? You will just write down. Big or small? B-I-G, big, or S-M-A-L-L, small. Okay, Debargo, Pavitra, all of you are correct. Ishan, Asma, Brintika, Nivedita, Shanchayan, Abhradeep, Navya, Sutanvi, so Mriganko, okay. All of you are correct. Asma, his letter also. Okay. Mriganko also okay. Everybody are correct here. So, today we learn more about our this lesson. Okay. So, till now, Asma, 2 3 for me. Wow, 2 3 is very good. So, for today, it is over. Now, right hand, left hand, and tata. Tata, all of you. Right hand, left hand, tata. Tata for today. Okay.